Hey, I'm Dr. Blaylock, owner and founder here at Lakeside Dental. What inspired me to start this practice now almost 6 years ago is just the ability to make an environment, create an environment to take care of patients at a really high level, to elevate that standard of care, to elevate the service that our patients could get here in Lenore City, and create an environment where we're using the best techniques and technologies out there. A lot of people ask, is it really necessary to go to the dentist twice a year? The answer is yes, for sure, and sometimes even more. And people ask why I don't feel anything or I brush my teeth. There's so many things that us here at the office, me as a dentist, are looking for when you come in for that checkup. Not only are we cleaning your teeth, but we're also looking for diseases that are most of the time silent until they cause a really big problem. Diseases like cavities and periodontal disease can go years before they present an issue that you can actually feel or notice. There's a lot of early signs that we'll catch during our checkups that patients most of the time don't notice. Sometimes it can be as significant as oral cancer. Sometimes it could be as small as just a cavity developing on maybe the back of a tooth that you don't see, and then anything in between. Obviously, periodontitis comes to mind. This is something that can have a big effect on the rest of our body, and for many people, it's asymptomatic until it's really at the end stage of that disease. If you haven't been to the dentist in years and feel nervous about maybe coming back, first of all, that's completely normal, and you're not alone. A lot of patients experience the same thing. But most importantly, I want you to know that we would be so honored to have you in our office. We go above and beyond to make sure your experience here is exceptional. We're going to provide the best care possible to you. Routine visits play a big role in long-term health and what I like to call total body or whole body health. A few things that we're looking for. We're always going to take a blood pressure in our office. You probably know this already, but hypertension is the silent killer. A lot of people don't even know they have it. That's something that we're screening for here as well. And then another one is diabetes. Diabetes, as again you may have heard about, has a big link to oral health and periodontitis. And we like to work hand in hand with your doctor to make sure that we're taking the best care of you possible, not just protecting and preserving that smile, but really keeping your whole body healthy. What makes the experience of a routine exam or cleaning different at Lakeside Dental than maybe somewhere else? I think the first thing you'll notice is we're extremely compassionate. We care very much about every person that walks in that door. Number two, we're really thorough. We don't rush people through the door. It's important to me to get to know you as the patient, understand your health goals and your smile goals. And then number three, you're going to get 5-star service from the time you walk in to the time you leave. That's what we promise here at Lakeside Dental. Hey, if you're listening to this and you're overdue for a cleaning, the best thing you could do is just wherever you're at, get out your phone and text 865-635-4999. Whenever we're back in the office, tomorrow, this afternoon, maybe it's right now, depending on the time of day, a real person's going to text you back and we'll be able to answer your questions and get you scheduled for a visit with us.